We're back and we have got John.
Hello guys.
Welcome to the live. Here's your microphone.
And hello guys, I'm John. I'm the new Gundam guy from Hobbies right now.
What's going on? You've got some Gundam for us.
Exactly.
What did you bring in?
Today I'm gonna bring in you guys for three. This one is not a Gundam, but well, have a very similarities to the Gundam as well.
Yep.
So the first one is sort of a high grade one, but I think it's like how is it? The level of detail is very good.
Yeah.
Especially with the collar. Normally the high grade will have a sticker, right? But for this one, it doesn't have any stickers, so it's very nice.
No stickers. Does it have decals?
It doesn't have decal, not normally for a high grade.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like this one,
just the plastic.
Yeah, it's just plastic.
Yeah, nice. Well, let's have a look inside.
Yeah,
we can do that. Yeah. Open it up.
So today this one.
Yep.
This one and this one. So
nice.
Compared to the high grade, I think this one have a lot more runners than normal ones.
It does, because the other high grade boxes are the gold and black ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got the aerials as well.
Yeah, I think it's
with the white box.
I think they have only 3 or 4 runners, some things, but this one have a ton of it.
6 or 7.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, lots of runners. So it's a bit more detailed.
It is true. It's more detailed than the recent ones.
Yeah.
And yeah, this and also so maybe we should go for the first runner as well. So we have the very, very basic ones. This one just released on last December of 2005. So it's pretty new, just last year.
Okay.
Yeah, and the first runner we have the armor ones, which is the sky blue colors. Pretty nice.
So that's all of the armor of the. If we can go to the overhead and have a look here. So the that's all the armor of the legs and everything. Yeah.
It is true. We have some different color in the same runners.
Oh, that's the this one here is the body portion.
It is true.
So that's the chest.
Yes, the chest is for the for the feet.
Yep.
And this one is for the red one here is for the cockpit.
Oh, the cockpit. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's a cockpit.
Fantastic. And then here we're carrying on with that more of the light blue.
Yeah. So like I say again, this one the main color is the sky blue. So a lot of armors are from the sky blue here runner here as well.
Yeah.
We have some decoration of the yellow, which is mostly from the shoulders and the feet.
And the head with this bit,
Yeah, we have the V fin here as well. Careful guys, you don't want to break it.
No, don't want to break that. You only get one of them.
It is true. I break I'm built some and I break a few already.
You break a few?
Yeah, it's
I
true.
think Will broke his out there. You know the MGSD that you show everyone?
Oh yeah.
He broke his.
He broke his
Yeah, he broke his on the MGSD.
That's the only one type.
I know. Oh well, we glued it back together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The good things about this one is we don't have many PC for the the polymer ones, because normally for this one is provide a very flexible joints. You can move around, but over time it can be decreased.
Yeah.
But at this one I don't see any big polysimals one, so I think it is very good.
Yeah, just very simple with the polycaps.
Yeah,
not going overboard.
Not going overboard.
But are polycaps very usual for high grade?
It is. It's very useful. So that's why I'm saying this one's very nice, because it doesn't have a lot of polycap here.
Yeah.
Normally people would put in the waist or
they
the connection. Yeah, the connection between the waist and the torso.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's very easy to lose over time.
Yeah.
So I think this one a very good one.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. And what's in this sprue? This one here.
Oh, this one just a very normal high grade colors for the armor as well.
Yeah.
If you look in here.
Oh, on the inside.
So this one, the outside is for the color of the sky blue, right?
Yeah.
But this one is the inside. So you put the outer frame first, and then you put the armor later.
Yeah.
So you have a little more detail on this one.
Yeah. Because the high grade doesn't have inner frame.
It is.
Per se, it does.
No, it doesn't have a lot, but some of them had
a little bit of detail.
Yeah. So this one had a little bit more detail than the other ones.
Yeah.
What a price, I would say.
Yeah. So there you've got this which is some of the exterior parts that are
Yeah.
grey.
So this one is for the guns, which is like
The gun, the
yeah,
cannon.
the
Yeah, true.
cannons. It's a black hole cannon. It says
Black hole cannon.
yeah.
Does
very
it create
big
black
one.
holes?
If you think that the size is almost big as
Oh my god.
yeah, it's big as the models already.
Oh, that's why they give you the stand.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, the-
Exactly.
For the gun, wow.
Yeah.
So that will all go into the gun section.
Yeah, it's
like
for
this
mostly
one
for the
here.
gun sections here.
Yeah. This one as well.
Yep.
And then your white portions here are all the detail bits.
Yep.
Some small little detail
For
bits.
for some smaller details of the armor on the arms.
Yep.
Because if you can see the color distribution, these have a lot of have some kind of white part as well.
Yeah.
So it is mostly for the
legs and everything.
yeah, mostly
Yep.
for the armor as well, not
Yep.
the inner frame.
Fantastic. And then we've got 2 more sprues here.
Yep.
So this one's pretty interesting. It's got something else in it.
Yeah, so again we have 2 beam sabers,
Yep.
beam effect, which is like pretty standard for the high grade one.
Yep.
But this one is a new one. They have the effect for the the boomerang something.
Yeah, like the ninja star.
Yeah, the ninja star.
Yeah, ninja star type thing.
It is.
So then you put that around the ninja star when you
Yeah.
throws it.
It is like this. It is like from the box you can see it have some kind of the ninja style with the frame.
Yep.
So you can put it in and then throw it to make an effect of the Gunpla.
Yep.
Easier to. It's like very nicer to display everything.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yep.
And then you got more of this these sprues here for the frame.
Yeah, it's mostly for the frame, like you see here. It's for the hand.
For the hands. Yep.
Yeah.
Different articulations.
It is true. Like one is for holding.
Yep.
One is for the punch stuff.
Same as over here as well.
Yeah.
More hands on this one.
More hands on this one.
Yep.
So we have a lot of hands here. A lot of part for like the leg and stuff.
Yep.
So like I'm saying here, this one is for like in a frame, and then you can put in the armor as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
And then we got
The last one.
The last one we have we don't need to buy another another displays
A stand.
yeah, stand.
Yeah.
Because we have this already here. So I think Bandai spent a lot of money on this one as well.
Yeah.
It is true. Normally the high grade won't have this. We have to buy your own stand, but
Yeah.
this one we have your stand already. You
From
need
the
to
other
buy it.
wall.
It is.
Fantastic. So I'll have a quick look at the instructions as well. It's all one sheet, as Bandai usually is.
Yep.
Is there any photo? Because sometimes they have photos.
Oh, they have the photos here as well.
Yeah,
actually.
just a few on
Yeah,
here.
They have some few photos here. Some recommend that post you can do it with this one.
Yep.
Yeah. So after you build it, you can post like the like the photos here.
Nice.
It's easier for you guys.
That's right. And you can see what it looks like all built up. Like this here. So he's got the cannon.
Yep.
And that's the sword that you're talking about.
Yeah, they're we also like beam sabers.
Yeah, the beam saber. And then this one's saying
It's a
that it
leaf
is like
slasher.
leaf slasher.
Look like a shuriken to me.
Yeah, like a boomerang.
Yeah, like a boomerang.
Like a boomerang. Yeah, the light blue looks really good.
Yes, it is like
Yeah.
very rare for like see the whole like sky blue color like this.
Mm.
Look very rare to me.
And it's got some wing unit as well on the rear.
Yeah, it's you call it pack.
Yeah.
A pack like for booster stuff. But
Yeah.
very nice. Yeah, I think this one is like one of it is the latest. It just like released last year. So
Yeah.
I think the plastic, the quality is very nice.
Very nice. It's a very new model.
Yep.
Fantastic. So that's the Huckebein,
Yeah.
which is a cool model, which is pretty recent in the Gundam world.
Yeah.
And then what else have you got for us? You love this one.
Yeah, I love
Is this one of your favorites?
Yeah, it's one of my
I
favorites.
think you've talked about this every day that you've been here.
It is true because like this one is the new. It's one of the newest brace for the Gunpla is the MGSD here.
Yeah.
So it is like the combination of between the MG and the SD.
Yeah.
So SD is like a chibi stuff.
Yeah. It's all super deformed.
Yeah, super deformed rolls like 12 or 11 centimeters.
Yeah.
And the high grade we have the good level of details, the inner frame as well. So that's why we combine two of those, and we have the MGSD.
Yeah. Master grade, super deformed.
Yeah.
So it's got the detail of a master grade.
And the size of the
an
SD.
Very cool.
Yeah, so first we want to look at the box first, actually.
You want to look at the box first?
Yeah, the box.
How about we go to the overhead and have a look?
Oh, yeah.
Like this.
Oh, really?
So this is it here. And I think we've only got one of these left.
Yeah.
Really not many of the Wing Gundam left
It is
in
true.
our MGSD. They've been super popular.
It is one of the best one here.
I like this pose that it can do because the wings are all positionable, right?
It is true. Like it's very flexible from here. Normally we have the mechanics wings, but this one is looking like angels here.
Oh, angel wings.
Yeah, it's angel wings.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's why like is the most important boss of the wings one here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't have. You're like it's only 2 models have the angel wing like this.
Okay.
And it's the only SD have this one. So that's
right.
why it's very important.
Yeah.
And also the details, as you can see, it's a SD, right? But if you see the level of detail, it's very nice.
Yes. Yeah. It's a lot of detail in there.
Yeah, the details level is compared to the MG's one.
Yeah. And then you've got this, it can turn into this?
Yeah.
Or that's like a separate unit
it
turns into?
No, it can turn into the flight unit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so you have two from. One is the robot unit.
Yeah.
It's like a standard unit, and one is like the flight unit here.
Wow, very cool.
Very cool, right?
Yep.
And so for now, we'll unbox this one and see how's the runner in.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let me separate.
Whoa, lots of sprues.
It's true.
Lots and lots of sprues.
Wings
Let me see if I can put this in the foreground.
Almost here. And our connect path here.
Whoa!
So about the good things about this one is it doesn't have any stickers on.
No stickers.
No stickers. It's an MG. So normally for the eyes, right? For the eyes, people would put like sticker on the eye to make the like green colors or yellow colors. But this one,
it's actually molded.
Yeah, it's like we have the clear part here. It's on the clear part.
Yeah, right. Let's have a look. So this is your clear eye parts over here.
Yes, all over here, clear eye part.
Oh, and this is the
shield one.
The shield, yeah.
Yeah, there's a shield to combine into like
the plane thing.
Yeah,
yeah.
And then we also have this one for the wings. It's
the blue sections.
Yeah, blue sections.
Yep.
It is relate to this one. It is related to the wings in here as well. So if you open the wings like this, it will have some like shiny blue over there as well.
Yeah, right. There we go. There it is there.
Yeah, it's a very nice details.
Yep.
I think it's a very like few Gunpla has like a very clear parts for the eyes.
Yeah.
Even some MGs they will have to put a sticker in it, but for this one, you don't have any sticker at all because we have a clear part already. So that's a thing I like about this MGSD. Yeah.
It's all got the clear parts to represent what stickers would on the other ones.
Yeah, it's true.
Are these the guns?
Yeah, already it's our guns. We call it beam rifles.
Beam rifles.
Yeah, beam rifle.
Okay, so you get 2 of each.
Yeah, we have 2 of the beam rifle, which can combine together.
Okay, like in the box art.
Yeah, like in box art. So you see, you can combine 2 of this into the one.
Yep.
Yeah. So, and then make into like a very powerful shot. Which can like destroy a whole tower in one shot. Actually.
Wow. Maybe it can kill an Evangelion.
Oh yeah,
from a different series.
It is a series though.
Different series.
Yeah, and you guys can notice that we have a lot of black part here.
A lot of black parts.
Yeah, which is the inner frame. So normally the MGSD won't have the inner. No, the SD won't have the inner frame.
Yeah.
But we have the MGs here. So we have the inner frames. So which like the movement of the Gundams can be like very flexible.
Yeah.
It can bend. It can bend over, the arm can bend, and then we can kneading as well. So that's why the amount of post that we can do is more flexible. Here's the inner frame if you want to know. Can you zoom it in?
Yeah. The inner frame just here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the inner frame here.
Let's have a look over here. So this is your inner frame. Let's see. So this is what this sprue does.
Yeah. So normally like the SD won't have it, but here the inner frame is for MG only. But now even for the SD we have the inner frames.
Yeah.
So the movement can be more flexible.
Yeah.
And it is we can bend, we can kneading, we can bend the arm, you can move the whole body is more flexible, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So that's what this sprue's for.
Yes.
And then the white, that goes on the outside, but I think the silver sprues here are for the inner frame as well, right?
Yeah, the silver for the inner frame as well. So every time you just like want to move your Gundam, it will like have a little spot for the inner frames to spot out, so make your Gundam like, oh, they have some silver in the Gundam here. It look very nice.
Yeah.
Do something like that.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, that's like a dark gunmetal.
Yep.
And then you've got more dark gunmetal on this one, with the white sprues as well in D1 and D2. And then the silver section here is quite nice. We'll get a good look at the on the overhead of this.
Yeah.
Because it's nice and reflective.
Yeah, very reflective, right?
Yeah, very reflective and shiny.
It does have like a silver coating.
And then this is a solid blue.
Yeah, it's a solid blue, like because most of the armor of the Wing Gundam is the band of the blue armors.
Most of the armor.
It's like a red, blue, yellow, and white.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have some blue here.
And then we've got these guys as well.
The most important thing about the Wing Gundam, the wings.
The wings, that's right.
Yeah.
Save the best till last, right?
It's true.
I bet you guys were thinking we were going to sell your Wing Gundam with no wings.
Yeah,
but here they are.
Yep. So for the wing as well, we have a lot of part as well.
Yeah.
And most of the wings very detailed. And where's the clear pool part? Oh, here's it. So the clear pool, this blue clear part as well is for the wing as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for the wing. So
that will go into these parts as well.
It is.
Yeah.
So it's meant to be make the wings more beautiful, or say make it more impact to it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So then you've got the white sections, the blue, the red, and the yellow, as we were talking about as well.
Yeah. So like saying we have 2 beam sabers, but this one is a MG size, it's 1/100 size.
Yeah.
And then we have some yellow part from the shoulders, and the V fin, which is this one. Very big
head.
V fins here.
Yeah.
Compared to the HG's one, it's very big. This one.
Yeah, 1/100, bit bigger, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
And then we have some red part as well.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So there's a lot of detail in this kit.
It is.
This is the most detailed SD.
Yeah, I would say it's the most detailed SD I ever seen. Good for panel lines, which the SD cannot do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that if you want to have some things like very cute, something cute, small for your decks, I think the MGSD is one of the best you can have here. Yeah. And now just let's open the
instructions
book.
up. Let's have a look at that.
So the instruction books there, we have about the runners, about the runners.
Yep.
How can you assemble the part? And how can you play with the kit? Like how can you make a pose and stuff?
Yep.
As well. So you can like put some like atmosphere entry mode.
Yep.
So which is like a 2 wing just
coming into the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then here as well, you can have a look at all of the color diagrams of doing all of the armatures with this atmospheric entry mode there. All the different modes that you can do.
Yeah, so
building this
one just like show you how can you pose with the Wing Gundam, and this one how can you transform the Wing Gundam to the bird mode. Yeah, or say the bird form something. Yeah. So yeah, so this one like I think it's the first one, the transformable MGSDs.
The first transformable ones.
Yeah, so you can normally we have 4 MGSD, and this one the only one who can transform to the flight mode.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So
whereas the other ones would be separately built or lots of parts being changed over.
It is.
There we go. And then that's all the stickers if you want to put them on.
It's for the water decals.
Yep.
And for the painting guide as well, if you're interested in like painting the Gundams, we have all the color instruction here as well.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's more about the unboxing this Wing Gundam here.
Nice.